Akwani agwantemfo so afo munyamfo kwasi amwahwata enne Dome-Kwabenya mrashibedwani mame Adwoa Sarfo enomode asobo foma ekwane behase aye ne kama pa enne ebro mode asobo fom hwe mame Adwoa Sarfo animu a nanima ye sere sanse sa kwan no enkrofo abone sobo ache se wonhwe no wonye
efre baabi so Aro Johnson eho de manho ankasa ya chese ye ne ka nketo awe de wuntumi mfamfa ho no mokra de ekoso no ano de Adwoa Sarfo afi se one de no ho ofe no betra parliament what ponso a yenso ye betwi ponso ha de akyere no
enti afei na bosomfo yi poma kwan mo mba be ne kama ode afutu ema ye se kwan yen kakra no be ye no enti omanfo wo mpesua ne sunya abotre emfa ema no ene contractor no ba be ye kwan no.
Today the people of my constituency Dome-Kwabenya will have a huge sigh of relief by the curtain of salt to commence the construction of some roads within the constituency which was in a very bad state and had actually turned into death traps. I appreciate the pain that you had to go through and endure for so many years of inconveniency due to the state of roads in our constituency. And I thank the Almighty God, His Excellency the President Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, the Road Minister, and his entire ministry and agencies for making this day possible. And as the good scriptures say, today is the day the Lord has made for us to rejoice and be glad in His name. Thank you.
Enoche no so for sure akwani akwantimpo so no nyamfo akwasi ambo akwata kire se ekwan bebre na Ghana aban ba beye e wo Ghana ase na Dome-Kwabenya de no enu na ehase.
We are going to pay for this road with taxes paid by all Ghanaians, including all of us who are here. Woe betide the contractor if he should joke with this project.
There are a number of roads for Greater Accra, and for that matter, Ghana, ya share processor, ya dibaya roads, you go through the procurement process. This is fitting procurement process. Senya emra ashishe atuhono. Nieko su bebre no. Ahadi no na edikan yaba ewieye. Apart from akwanya ye betu ya ye continue. Ye papa ye continue say ye beye no. No ya chassis say ifisa mre ekosi ebewura 2018 mu senya new budget ada na di no. Ebeye akwan na ye improve akwan wo Ghana.